Hi, welcome to Agilex 5 E-Series no-cost license. In this video, you'll learn how to acquire a no-cost license for Agilex 5 E-Series. Before we start, this video requires you to install Quartus with Agilex 5 device support. If you have not done so, please watch one of the following videos for installation guidance. The no-cost license can be obtained during the following scenarios: when starting Quartus without license, when starting Quartus in license mode or free mode, and if you have difficulty to fetch the license, you can fetch it through FPGA Self-Service Licensing Center, SSLC. The first time you launch Quartus without license, you'll be greeted to License Setup Required dialog box. In this dialog box, choose Get Agilex 5 E-Series No-Cost License. After clicking OK, a progress dialog shown below will be seen. Next, your Quartus will launch in license mode. If you fail to fetch the no-cost license, you will encounter the following pop-up message prompts, leaving Quartus started without the no-cost license. Upon acknowledging the message prompt, License Setup option dialog will be shown. Here, if you have a valid license file, you can specify the locations, or you can click Get Agilex 5 E-Series No-Cost License to fetch the license. Depending on user network configuration, user may need to set up proxy server address and port number via Internet Connectivity page. After setting up the proxy, try to fetch a license from License Setup dialog box again. In case of Quartus starts in license mode or free mode, user can acquire Agilex 5 E-Series license via Quartus main window. Navigate to Tools, License Setup, and click on the button Get Agilex 5 E-Series No-Cost License. If you are not able to acquire license using the last two scenarios, you can acquire the license through SSLC. This requires you to have an account. If you have an account, please sign into SSLC. If you do not have an account, click on Enroll for FPGA Self-Service Licensing Center. If you require guidance to create an account, search and view the following video for a step-by-step guide on how to create an account and navigate the site to obtain the license. By following the video guide, in Select Product and Additional Details, choose Agilex 5 E-Series No-Cost License and generate the license. Watch the video to learn step-by-step guide on how to generate the license. After logging in the home page, click Sign up for evaluation or no-cost license. Next, search for Agilex 5 E-Series and click here. Fill up the number of seats that you would like to request. If you have existing computer from your previous license generation, you may click here. If you would like to create a new computer, you may click on this button. Next, fill up the details in the following form fields. For a license type, there's a fixed and float. Please do check on the installation and licensing user guide that I will mention at the end of this video to determine which type is suitable for you. And here, once again, please do check on the user guide to determine which computer type that you would like to use. If you would like to find your hardware information to fill up the primary computer, you may click on this link. Once you have received this message, you may check your email for the license file. If you require more information on Quartus installations and licensing, search and view FPGA software installation and licensing user guide.